In this video, you'll learn how to set up Ontraport's PilotPress plugin on your WordPress site. The PilotPress plugin lets you create a membership site on WordPress. It's a little different from membership sites in Ontraport, but it boils down to the same end result. You'll make sure that only your members can access protected pages. PilotPress also adds Ontraport's tracking to all your WordPress pages. So even if you aren't launching a membership site, this plugin will help you get more out of WordPress. You can install the PilotPress plugin in 3 steps. First, you'll pop into Ontraport to enable the feature. Next, you'll find and install the PilotPress plugin on your WordPress site. And you'll wrap up by connecting your WordPress settings to Ontraport. Let's see what that looks like. You'll start off in Ontraport, where you can check to make sure this feature is enabled. Go to your account, then Administration. From there, go to Advanced Features and make sure WordPress is toggled on. Okay. Feature enabled, check. Now you'll grab your API key and app ID. Pro tip, this is basically a username and password combo to your Ontraport account. Remember to always keep it safe. Click Membership from your sidebar here, then click WordPress website. From there, click New WordPress site. I'm assuming you've already created a WordPress site. In that case, click Existing WordPress site. But you can always create a new site for testing purposes by clicking New WordPress site instead. Now you can name your site and add its domain. I'll add Slurpees to Burpees here and use my domain slurpees2burpees.com. Then add whatever membership levels you want here, maybe bronze, silver, and gold. Finally, you'll copy the API key and app ID to your clipboard. Hold on to these for now. You'll need them again in just a minute. Click Save. So that's the Ontraport side of things. Now I'll hop over to WordPress to find the PilotPress plugin and install it. Once you're logged into your WordPress site, click Plugins on your left sidebar and add a new one. Search for PilotPress. When you see it, click Install Now, then go ahead and activate it. Boom! Now the plugin is installed. To connect it to your account, go to your Settings menu on the left. Find your PilotPress settings. This is where you'll add your API key and app ID from earlier. Paste them into these general settings on top. Now you can customize lots of different settings, login redirects, a customer center, and more. But we'll cover that stuff in another video. For now, you can click Save Changes and you're good to go. You're all set! Next time you create a new page or post in WordPress, you'll be able to control which membership levels can see it. Plus, you've just added Ontraport's tracking to all your existing WordPress pages. This makes it easy to see which pages your contacts are visiting. You can even build automation around it if you want. Now that you've got PilotPress integrated with your site, check out the rest of the PilotPress videos. You'll learn even more about how WordPress membership sites work with Ontraport.